FrenchTech is our startup scene here in France, a government-backed movement driven by tech entrepreneurs. It's also a unique movement bringing together startups, investors, and community builders. It's a national brand created in 2013 and a huge network of 13 FrenchTech capitals and 38 FrenchTech communities in France. Our global mission is to make France one of the greatest places in the world to launch and grow global companies that make sense for our future. Our mission in Aix-Marseille is to help create and transform startups with high growth potential into value and job providers. All our mission aims to bring cohesion and visibility to the ecosystem. For example, we organize every month after work, which brings together more than 60 people. We help startups in accessing funding. We organize several meetings between startups and investors. These meetings are very qualified to enable a successful matching. We sustain startup internationalization and support the recruitment of talents. And our key difference in Aix-Marseille from other FrenchTech is that we promote an inclusive and sustainable technology, or as we say, is tech for good. Here is our FrenchTech Aix-Marseille board. It's made of 20 people who represent our ecosystem. Its members are startups, incubators, and experts. Their expertise and decision-making help in identifying key challenges and opportunities. And their network and know-how can be instrumental in supporting the growth of all our startups. We have also a national program which has been designed to help you. As a FrenchTech Visa, an invitation made easy for entrepreneurs and startup employees. FrenchTech Central, a network of public experts in administration available to facilitate your relationship with the administration, which is very useful in France. FrenchTech 120, Next 40, and FrenchTech for the Planet, this selection and fast tracking of the most promising startups. As I said before, we are very interested in promoting an inclusive and sustainable technology. We have created the event Le Grand Bain for that purpose only. But in 2020, because of the pandemic situation, we had to broadcast it live, the event on social network and Twitch. Le Grand Bain was under the high patronage of Emmanuel Macron. 2 ministers were in live, and we gathered more than 40 views. We sincerely hope that this year we will be able to host it and meet in person in September. And obviously, you are all welcome in Marseille to assist it. To promote Tech for Good, we have also the national program, which is FrenchTech Tremplin. It's a grant program for young entrepreneurs coming from disadvantaged neighborhoods. We are also very interested in promoting women in tech, women and gender equality in tech. It's some number of our ecosystem. So what does our ecosystem look like? We conducted a survey on more than 200 of our startups. Among this figure, we can find out that half of the founders are over 40 years old. 31% were founded or created by women, which is a very good signal for the tech field. And most startups are young. 77% were created less than 5 years ago. Green tech, mobility, and health tech are the 3 most represented sectors here in Aix-Marseille. You can see on the screen some of our startups of our ecosystem. Some of them are among the most promising startups in France. For example, GoJob is ranked among the fastest growing companies in Europe according to Financial Times. We have also around 30 community builders, but Provence Promotion will present them to you now, and I wouldn't want to spoil Nathalie's presentation. So you have all the pictures of our FrenchTech Aix-Marseille. Thank you very much for your attention, and do not hesitate to send me an email if you have further questions. Thank you.